afternoon, student. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to solve May-June 2025 paper and web authoring. Okay, the website authoring task we are going to solve. Let's start the video. Okay, now here what they gave us in the task 2, file management. Okay, create a new folder called racing. Alright, to do this I will go to my support file folder. I will create a new folder called racing. Alright, done. Now next, locate only the following files and store them in your racing folder. So to do this, 1 2 3 4 5 files, and we just try to move them to our racing folder. Alright, done. Yes, we got all 5 folders. Display the content of the racing folder, showing the folder name and all the file names, file extension, size, frame height, frame width, and dimensions. Okay, so to do this, as I told you in the previous video, right click on view and then go to dimension first and then frame width and frame height. Did they ask file extension too this time? Yeah, file extension. Okay, and then frame width and frame height. Okay, so these are all the details you can able to see. Take the screenshot and paste it.
Now, let's go to the next question. Task 3, web page. You will create a web page to advertise Tavara Racing, who race motor car. Create a new racing folder. Okay, create in your racing folder a new web page called racing.html. Okay, so to do this task, I'm going to use application software, web expression. All right, so now first right click and save. Okay, to save this, I need to save here in my support file folder, which is the racing. All right, so now control V, racing.htm, racing.htm. All right, and then save. Perfect. Next, this web page must be created using a single table and work in all browser. The table must be left aligned. The table must be left aligned and fit in a 90% of browser window. Okay, so to do this, first of all, we need to count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows and 2 column. Okay, so we will go to table, insert table, 4 rows and 2 column, and the specific width is 90, and then press OK. So this is the table. So now let me organize the table. Select the first row, right click, modify, merge the row. Fine. And last 2 rows also merge. So here I will select the next row, right click, modify, merge, and then this also right click, modify, and merge. Done. So each table cell is identified with a letter which must not be appear in your final web page. So let's first of all we need to put a letter to the table. Okay, given cells A, B, tab C, tab D, and tab E. Done. Next. Done. Next. The table border must appear on your final web browser. To do this, I will go to code, and then here what we are going to put, we are going to put the simple HTML code called as border equals to 1, and the table also should be left aligned. They said alignment should be left. All right, so done. Next. So now you can see the table is left aligned and the border also can be easily able to visible. Next, set the title of the web page is Tawara Racing. To do this, right click, page property, and the title is Tawara Racing, and then press OK. Next, place in cell A image TR banner. Okay, so TR banner, fine. In cell A, remove the A and click on Insert Picture from File. It will directly take you to the confidential file, which is a support file folder. Select the banner and import it. And student, here you have multiple options. Like if you would like to put the alternate text for this picture, you can put, or else you can leave, no issue. And then press OK, banner, done. So if you see, this image is not fit into the given cell. So what you can do in your exam too, like you need to remove the height and keep the width as 100% for this image. 100%. And go to design view and see the picture is completely fit in the given cell. Next, in cell B, video and the source tag display as a TR video MP4. Okay, what else we need to do? Make sure control. So the condition one is we need to add controls to this video. Second is the video loop. All right, so these two criteria we have to put in the code of the video. Next, display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support this video type. In case if this video unable to run in your browser, your web browser should display a message, error message, which is the browser does not support this video type on your internet browser or any Chrome, whatever the browser you are using, it should display this particular message. So to do this, now we will go to our code and we will try to find out where is B. Yes, it is B is here. Enter. Now remove the B. We don't need B anymore. Okay, now here. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to insert the video. So open the parenthesis and then type video. Okay, and first criteria was controls. Okay, controls is equals to controls and loop. They ask us to put loop and loop equals to loop. Okay, few students have a doubt, sir. Is it okay that if we type video, then control and loop, will it function? Yes, definitely it will function. It is not compulsory that you have to put control equals to control and loop equals to loop. Okay, so to make sure this video also fit in a given width, so that I am putting width equals to 100% for this video too. Okay, so that it will fit in the given cell. And then close the parenthesis. You will get a video tag closing voila. Now, next, what you need to do? Where is the source? Let us import the source. So source is trvideo.mp4. Okay, so to do this, I will just open the parenthesis and write the source. Okay, src equals to, okay, src equals to, let me remove these quotations. Src equals to, now, there are two ways. Either you can type this video file name or else you can copy the file path of that video which is there in your support file folder. So the best option from my end is like, I would recommend you guys to please copy the video path. Right click, copy the path and simply click paste in the source file. So this is the video file which is there on your desktop in your support file folder. What type of file this is? This is a video file. Which format? MP4 format. Now close the tab and then enter. Next, if this video will not function in your browser, what they gave us in the question paper, it should show an error message. The browser does not support the video. So at the end, I'm adding the text-based error, which is the browser does not support this video. Finally, we're done with the video part. Go to design view and let us see whether we can able to see the video which is continuously looping or not. So to do that, I will go to File, Preview Browser, Internet Explorer, press OK. Yeah, here you can see if you press OK. Fine. So this is continuously looping. Everything is set accordingly. Next, let's go to the next question. In enter in cell C the text tr text.txt. So where is the tr text? Here it is. Now we will copy this file, Control C, the given text, and let me paste here in C. Let me remove C and right click and paste. So done. Now next, let's go to the next question. Set the text style H3. Okay. So to this text, I select the complete text. You need to be very careful while selecting. Okay. And then apply the HTML tag H3. Perfectly fine. Next, enter in cell D. Click here to find out more about our existing development or here for the job opportunity. Copy this text and we need to paste in D. Control V. Done. Okay, now enter in cell E, which is web page created by. Control C, and then I will paste this. Control V. Done. Okay, what we need to do, set all the text in cell D and E style H2. All right. So let me select both the cells and the content and H2. Where is H2? H2 is here. Perfectly fine. Done. Next, make the text exciting development. Okay. A link to open in a web page trdevelop.htm and a target frame also they gave us the new window called as blank document. All right, to do this, let me find out where is exciting development. It is here. So first you need to select this, right click, hyperlink. Okay. Now where is the existing file on a web page? Okay. And then browse, go to your support file folder. What is that name of the link is trdevelop. Yes, it is trdevelop. Press OK. Done. So now here you can able to see we link to this trdevelop.htm. Now next is target frame. Click on target frame, new window, blank window, and then press OK and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Now you can see a hyperlink is created. Next, make the text job opportunity a link to an email editor to prepare an email to Tawara Racing at cambridge.org. Okay, so where is the job opportunity? So let's go here. Now here is the job opportunity. Select the job opportunity, right click, hyperlink, okay, and click on email and where to send. The mail address is Tawara Racing at cambridge.org. Did they provide us any subject line? Yes, subject line is here, job opportunity. Okay, so subject line is job opportunity and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Both the hyperlink task is done. Now next, attach the style sheet trracing.css to your web page. Okay, so to do this, what I'm going to do, we'll go to the core, our application software. Now we will click on attach style sheet link, browse, okay, and then what we need to attach, tr racing. Where is tr racing css? Yes, select this and then open and then press OK. Yes, perfectly fine. Everything is aligned equally. Next, edit the style sheet so that the table border are not collapsed. Student, table border or not collapsed means, which means they are asking us to keep the table border separated. All right, so we will do it. No problem. Now we will go back to our application software, file, open, and we are going to open the CSS file, which is tr racing, and open. Yes, perfectly fine. Now next, table border should not be collapsed, they told us. So let's do it. Just press enter, click on new style. Okay, click on new style and select as a table. Okay, select the table. Now what they ask us to do here? Okay, the table margins. Okay, so here what they told. So they are asked us to first, let me see the question. They asked us to put should not collapse. Okay, so the table border. Okay, the table border should not be collapsed means should be separated and spacing should be 2 pixel. You can keep 2 pixel as a spacing and apply and then okay. So here you can able to see the code table border collapse separated with 2 pixel. Done. Now next, what we need to do, save the style sheet. Right click, save. Right click, save. Okay. Now next question. Save the web page. So we will go to file and save the web page. Next, take the screenshot of your HTML source and place in your evidence file. So where is my HTML source here? I will go to code. So this is the complete HTML source. Border is also visible, alignment left and all. Okay, so this is very much perfectly fine. Display your web page in a browser file, okay, and preview an Internet Explorer and run. Yes, you can see here, dear, it is very clear and specific. We can able to see, okay, and the video is also continuously looping, okay. And what they told us to do here. Next question. The full page can be seen, okay. So in the browser, you can go here and just reduce, minimize it, and so that with the mouse, with the help of the mouse, and then you can take the screenshot, full page. And, okay, so now here they told us to put it edited by, write your name, ABC, center number, IEN 123, and the candidate number is 1234. Okay, and that was given as the H2. Perfect. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, so all text can be easily read, and then the address bar is visible. Okay, so one more time, let me run this. Okay, file, preview, Internet Explorer, and then run. Yes, you can able to see each and every file. The text is clearly visible. Okay, you can take a screenshot and paste. Anything else? Take a screenshot of your evidence showing that the web page browser, okay, place in your evidence document. All right, so nothing else. Yeah, so finally we're done with that. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of your web browser and paste in your evidence file. That's all. All right, thank you very much for watching. Okay, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.